is the freezing cold that's come down to hit the south. Hear that? Limbs are just dropping everywhere. Don't think we've busted our fence up there. We have a tree that's laying over on the top of the house. This one here. Now these are mostly cherry laurels, and they have all their leaves, and I think that's one of the reasons they're so heavy, but you can see it kind of down on the card, but the power line is being pulled way down, but we still do have power, at least right now we do. Keep hearing limbs hit the metal roof of this cottage. Looks like the main house is fine. It's really only got one or two trees close to it. The limbs are just falling left and right because they don't want all this ice on them. So, and it's like 16 degrees. I don't know what it is. Cold.
Hello, my friends. Thought I would show you what we woke up to this morning. That's a transformer trying to come back on. Luckily not ours. Our power is still on. See if I can get out here safely. This is a tree on our roof. I've got more trees. Ooh. Hear them coming down over there. Tree broken here, and this one's laying on our power line. So that's fun. That's exciting. We're sort of waiting for that to snap. Tree on the car. Trees down. Snapped over there. Like you can hear them just repeatedly exploding and snapping in the woods. See if I can go down these steps. Hang on. Without killing myself. So this tree, this cherry laurel is broken into bits. It's really the trees that have leaves on them that are suffering because of the weight. We've lost some limbs. Oh, here we go. There goes one. The trees, I don't think you can tell. They're just coated in ice. Just coated in ice. I'm trying to be quiet because pretty soon you'll hear trees exploding. And you know the trees aren't actually exploding, right? You know it's just the weight of the ice on the branches and leaves. Oh, there goes some. That breaks them. So we kept thinking that what we were hearing was ice falling off the... Oh. That was a big tree. We may not have 9 wooded acres by this afternoon. Anyway, like there's trees just falling out here. The minute I quit recording, there was a huge one that exploded and fell. What we thought we were hearing was ice sliding off the roof. Well, what I thought I was hearing was ice sliding off the roof, but no, it was in fact trees falling on the cottage. But there's nowhere to go. We can't go anywhere because the roads are iced over. So here we are. Oh, hear it? Like it sounds like bombs going off. Oh, that wasn't even a big one. We hope some of the trees make it through. And now the power's out. It's a fun
As soon as you went outside.
It's a fun adventure, huh, Kevin?
Yeah. Fun.
We're like dressed and we have a bag packed. Like there's anywhere to go. So we're like, where do we think we're gonna go? It's not like we can go in the storm shelter. Like it's a tornado. That's the only kind of weather Southerners know how to deal with. We're preparing for the tornado. Get the valuables. Get in the storm shelter. Kevin's very concerned. He's very concerned.
And I have a dog that just screams and screams and screams.
Oh, look how cute him is.
Well, don't anybody tell you it doesn't get cold in the south.
Wow.
So here's our situation. All these trees are iced. Ice, ice, ice. Limbs everywhere.
Still exploding all over the place.
Keep dropping on our roof.
No power, no heat.
No power, no heat. So we're wandering up to the house to find hopefully some matches. We don't even have any matches.
How did we?
Oh,
How
look,
did
that's
we buy
broken off.
everything for the house and not? Oh no, we lost a huge part of my crepe myrtle. And not any matches to start a fire. That was not good planning. I think we thought our batteries would power us,
That
but
power
it's not.
line there. Yeah, we have 3 batteries in there that lasted about 15, 20 minutes
Yeah.
with space heaters. Space heaters draw a lot of power, so that's where we are. So we're wandering up to the house to see if we can find something to keep us warm.
Uh-oh, look at the big live oak limb we lost.
Oh, yeah, big limb there.
I'm a little worried about what we're gonna find up here.
Oh no, look more over here.
Yep. Yeah, big one right there.
More down there. Yeah.
Oh man, there's some right there.
A lot of this is just hanging low because it's so heavy. It's that one there. Oh no, there's another one there.
Dang.
All over the place. This looks okay.
We're not getting out even if we want to drive somewhere.
It's gonna take some sawing to get around here. Man, look at all this. Look at that one there. Good night. All right, let's go see.
So here we have probably 100-year-old holly tree that has literally just pulled up at the root. Just fallen over and pulled up. So we lost that. Kevin's gone to try to find, there's an energy worker that he was gonna go talk to down here. So far, it doesn't look like we've lost any big branches off of these. Oh, there's one over there, I lied. Man, our live oaks have taken a beating. Oh, it's killing me. This is crazy. Oh. Should have stayed in Conway. Who knew?
More damage. Tree limbs there, but see this pole snapped right here. That's probably why we don't have power. This whole area is in trouble. They're working on it now. So, tell them what we're doing.
We are freezing to death.
We're freezing to death.
We are flinging wood scraps into the wheelbarrow so we can wheelbarrow them down to the cottage and make a fire. One of the energy guys gave us a lighter so we can light the fire. Ah. But my hands are too cold to fling the wood. But I'm doing pretty good getting them in the wheelbarrow. Not that way.
What'd you say?
I was doing pretty good getting them in the wheelbarrow, but I thought, oh yeah.
And put them in here.
Well, those will burn too.
So I don't know. It could be a long time. I don't know.
We're gonna die.
But they are working right there.
I feel like we're literally gonna die.
Really?
Yeah.
Live!
Why did we not go back to Conway? I thought that's what was gonna be bad.
Really? I thought we were gonna wait it out here in the warm.
Yep.
Didn't work out.
We were wrong. That was wet.
Huh?
You know, there's a bunch in that wood pile over there, that trash pile, if any of it's dry.
Where?
Over there in the trash pile, if any of it's dry.
Oh yeah, we got wood everywhere.
My fingers are killing me.
So, take these down to one area and
Be careful of icy, because they're really
these
icy.
steps.
This is awful. The 0 out of 10 do not recommend. What you doing, Kevin?
That's the first fire I've made in a long time.
I was gonna say, I don't know that you've made a fire since we've been married.
What we're using for firewood.
Not.
We paid a lot for this firewood.
Yeah,
You know?
you should not be doing this, and yet here we are.
Here we are. Well, let's see what we can do.
But luckily, we had lots of fire baskets under our house. We have a huge supply of fire baskets. So let's see what that does. Now we got to keep the dogs out of it. What were you just explaining to me, Mr. Barry?
I said you're in the hands of a teenage pyromaniac, so you're just fine. I said, church camp fire monitor.
Yeah.
You know, all you need is a few embers and a spray can. You can get a fire going just about any time.
After 30 years of marriage, I'm discovering
You
new
didn't know
skills.
that?
I had no idea.
I think that's every teenage boy goes through a little pyromania episode.
Do they? Okay.
I think so.
Well, I'm glad to know that I'm in capable and experienced hands.
It's already a lot warmer in here.
Now we just have to keep the fire in the fireplace.
Yeah.
I'm literally sitting here with the fire extinguisher right there in the event the fire tries to escape from the fireplace. Because do we have a fire screen? No. But I did pull that fire basket out from under the house.
Yeah.
We have a collection of those. So there's that. Do I have any chestnuts to roast? I just told Matthew Charles McGinley, I've never been one of there are 120,000 people without power. We've always been sitting in our nice warm home while we watch that, and yet here we are.
And here we are. Well, if we were in Conway, we'd be in a nice
I know. I guess you're never too old for a new experience, right, baby?
Guess not.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
I just wanted to send you a video of my current situation. We've pulled the couch right up next to the fire. I'm eating chicken salad and cheese and crackers, wearing a coat under a blanket on the couch, tending the fire while Kevin went to get firewood. I don't like this. This is not fun. Well,
Gonna be a 3-dog night.
3.5 dog.
3.1 dog night.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cold in our cottage.
I wish there was cold-o-vision, because we're sitting within, what are we, 5 feet from the fire?
It's freezing.
And it's freezing. It's so cold.
It probably looks cozy.
It is not cozy.
It's not cozy.
I have to tell them that somebody told us, put on your wool hats and gloves. And I had to say, we live in the South. We don't even own a wool hat. I've never even seen a wool hat for sale anywhere.
A hoodie. It's the best I can do.
Yeah, I don't even have a hoodie. I'm just sitting here cold. Under my comforter that I bought that's supposed to keep us cool. So here we are.
Here we are. Let's hopefully live till tomorrow.
Let's hope. I wish I was kidding. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Maybe forever.
We're all huddled around the fire, but it's not doing much good. It's still really cold in here.
Not fun.
So this is what's happening now.
Yes.
You can't really see because it looks like in a giant bed.
Oh, can you see this, Jeff?
You put the little boy down?
Well, I'm trying to get my socks.
Oh.
I have on 2 sweatshirts, and I'm going to put on 2 pairs of socks.
And he's trying to eat your
He's trying
socks.
to eat my socks. You can get one
So
side.
what we've got here is, so this is our fold-out couch, and it folds out to about, it could sleep one person, maybe a couple of small kids. And then we put our chairs back here, so we kind of have a little reclining chair action right in front of the fire, which is barely keeping us alive.
There's no way to describe how little warmth.
I mean,
very.
It is. It looks cozy, but it is freezing in here. And Stanley is ready to keep us warm. He and Jack are doing a good job.
Pretty comfy, all things considered, though.
Really?
We could just pretend like we're on one of those very fancy overnight flights to Europe.
Yeah. I'm gonna barf into a bag.
Right. But you're pretending that you're comfortable because you paid so much for it.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing.
Yep. Stanley seems fine with it.
Yeah. And show them Scouty how happy she is.
Scouty is over here on the bed. She has so much fur that I don't think she knows it's cold.
No.
Hi, baby. And Jack is ready to jump on the bed, keep us warm. And this little man right here,
Trouble,
is the cutest little thing that ever lived.
Oh, crap,
So-
I didn't take my nighttime medicine.
That's our update. Oh yeah, you got to get in and out of the bed is the worst part. Dogs get settled, then you got to get in and out and in and out and in and out and put more wood on the fire, and we're not going to get any sleep tonight. We just got an update that it's supposed to be fixed tomorrow at 3:30 p.m.
And it's going to be 18 degrees tonight. And I need you to understand, these cracks go all the way through to the outside. Like there's cold air coming in these cracks right now.
Yeah, it's not a warm
okay.
cottage.
It's not okay. I mean, it is when the heat and air works. It's
Well,
great.
that's true. But now, not so much.
So the dog water bowl was frozen in the house this morning. I know you can't see that very well, but we've driven up. The yard is full of tree limbs, and the drive is full of tree limbs. Kevin's trying to get those cleared out, so we're gonna go to my friend Leah's house. We've had several precious friends offer to let us come and stay, but they all have really nice houses, and we have 4 dogs. My friend Leah, she's got a back dependency that they have fixed up, so we're gonna go. Oh no, don't fall. We're gonna go there, and hopefully the power will be back on sometime today. But I've never been so cold in my life. This was absolutely horrific. We know it was lower than 32 in the house this morning. We're just gonna go around them as much as we can.
Yeah, we're just gonna minorly damage the car.
Yeah, you know, we're in the hoopty, so it's okay.
That's right.
They're working on our power.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go that way.
I mean, it may be back on soon, but I really don't think we would have survived in there much longer. And I'm not even kidding. It was below freezing. Like I said, the water bowl was.
This person has shorts on. You have to get them on.
You're kidding me. Oh my gosh. The water in the dog bowl and the toilet were frozen, so that's how cold it was. But this man kept our fire tended all night long.
Yeah.
Fire master over there.
Brave young teenage pyromaniac.
Right, came in handy. Sun's shining, it looks really beautiful.
Oh my gosh, it is pretty, but so destructive.
Ah, it's horrible. It's horrible.
Look how cute they are, bundled up. Stanley's little head, watching a little TV on the computer, freezing to death.
Yeah.
So destructive, but so beautiful.